Hello everyone, this is an introductory lecture on linear system of equations. In this video we define linear system of equations, solution of a linear system of equations, consistent and inconsistent linear system of equations. Firstly, let us define linear equations. A linear equation in n unknowns is of the form a1x1 plus a2x2 plus dot 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 plus an xn is equal to b, where a1, a2, a3 and so on an and b are real numbers. The variables x1, x2 and so on xn are called unknowns. For instance, an equation with two variables graphically represents a straight line in the two-dimensional plane, and an equation with three variables represents a plane in the three-dimensional space. Now let us define linear system of equations. A linear system of m equations in n unknowns is of the form given in 1, where aij and bi are real numbers. We refer the system as m cross n linear system since it has m equations and n unknowns. In matrix form, the linear system of equations can be written as ax is equal to b, as given in equation 2, where A is called coefficient matrix, x is called unknown vector, and b is a column vector. It's clear that when a and x are multiplied and equated to b, we arrive at 1. Now let's define types of linear system of equations. Linear system ax is equal to b is called homogeneous if the vector b is equal to 0. That is, each and every number in the right hand side must be equal to 0. And non-homogeneous if the vector b is not equal to 0. For example, this 3 cross 3 system is an homogeneous linear system of equations because each and every number in the right hand side is equal to 0, and this 3 cross 3 system is non-homogeneous since every number in the right hand side is not equal to 0. Now let's define solution of a linear system with an example. The solution of this 3 cross 3 linear system is a list 1, minus 2 and 1. Since when x is replaced by 1, y is replaced by minus 2 and z is replaced by 1, it satisfies each and every equation. Thus, a solution of system 1 ax is equal to b is a list s1, s2, s3 and so on sn that satisfy each and every equation in the system when s1, s2, s3 and so on sn are substituted for x1, x2, x3 and so on xn respectively. And the set of all possible solutions is called solution set of the linear system, and two linear systems are called equivalent if they have same solution set. Now let's understand the graphical representation of 2 cross 2 linear system and also understand the possible solutions of 2 cross 2 linear system. We know that graphically each equation represents a straight line in the plane. On the ordered pair x comma y will be a solution of the system if and only if it lies on both lines. The possible of the plane is given in equation 1, 2 and 3. In equation 1, two lines intersect at one common point. Thus associated system will have unique solution. In figure 2, two lines are parallel to each other, thus the system have no solutions. In figure 3, two lines coincide, thus each and every point of the line will be a solution. Hence system have infinite solutions. Now we understand the graphical representation of 3 cross 3 linear system. We know that graphically each equation represents a plane in the space, and triplet x comma y comma z will be a solution if and only if it lies on all three planes. The possible ways three planes lie in the space is given in these 7 figures. In figure 1, all three planes intersect at one common point. Thus, the associated system of equations have unique solution. In figure 2, 3 and 4, you can see that these planes have no common point of intersection. Thus, the system have no solutions. In figure 5, all three planes coincide. Thus, each and every point on the plane will be a solution. In figure 6 and 7, three planes intersect on a line. Thus, each and every point on the line will be a solution. Thus, we can conclude that a system of linear equation either have no solutions, exactly one solution, or infinitely many solutions. And a system of linear equations is said to be consistent if it has either one solution or infinitely many solutions. And system of linear equation is said to be inconsistent if it has no solutions. We end our video here. Thank you.